Hi guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. Okay, today we'll be talking about always beta versions. Okay, we are doing a lot of beta Linux distros now. Like I just finished Debian 11 yesterday. Quite troublesome with it. Couldn't really finish it. We had some problems. Probably gonna finish it another time for the part 2 and part 3 if I ever need to, in case I cannot finish it part 2. Anyways, we have here Linux Mint 20.2 beta. If I'm not wrong, it has been beta right now. So yeah, anyways, you can see here Linux Mint 20.2 XFCE 64-bit beta.iso. It's an ISO. So I have not done this myself. If you notice, for the rest I did before, but don't mind the Windows 10. I accidentally deleted that one. So yeah, if you can see there, I did Debian twice as well. So anyways, you have Linux Mint here. Let me switch to full screen mode so it's better for you to see. This might actually need to take 2 parts depending. Anyways, it's putting into Linux Mint here. Okay, we are just gonna give this a moment to load. Okay, I mean, I've personally not used Linux Mint, but okay, I guess we are in to the live version, but I don't really want live. We are gonna do the full install of 20.2. So yeah, just gonna open this file. Hello, Linux. Yeah, sorry, my Linux not that good because I don't really use Ubuntu distro. So give me a moment to find out what's happening. I feel like I need a full system reboot for this to work. Do I? Or is it loading? No, I actually feel like this. I somehow I feel like I just broke it, but okay, never mind. Problem fixed. We just opened the system. Okay, yes, we can install it now. Great. So we wanted English. We're gonna continue. I don't need to read the release notes. I already read it. So you know the English keyboard. You need at least 12. Okay. So turns out you need 15 gigs for this. So we're just gonna quit this and shut this down first, if you don't mind me. It's a problem that I forgot that you need it. So we're just gonna shut down this thing first. We're just gonna have to power it off because it's a live one. If I'm not wrong, your storage is not changeable, so you have to create a new disk image. If I'm not wrong, yeah, you have to create Windows. Another one. This time we're gonna do 30 gigs, just in case you wanna do an update on this the next time, because this is not changeable, like I said. So yeah, we have 30 gigs not attached. So yes, we're gonna choose this, and we're gonna start it up again. This time it should be fine, and we wouldn't need to do so much trouble. And as you can see, it's automatically gonna boot into live mode. So yes, we don't want OEM install. Actually, we're just going to. Actually, yeah, never mind. We'll start Linux Mint first. Then we will do the install from there, I guess, because this might be a live installer, and I might have not checked as well. So yeah, sorry. So yeah, we are just gonna do it through here. Somehow this is probably a live USB. So yeah, we are gonna open this, do the same thing as before. Okay, not the same thing, but okay, we're just gonna wait for this to load. Yes, you wanted in English. You wanted that English. Install media codecs required. Please, yeah, we're just gonna install it, I guess. I have 30 gigs just in case we need to add on any things. Yeah, but anyways, I'm doing Linux Mint today because I feel like most people use Ubuntu. Linux Mint distro are quite famous distros, you can say, and not much people really use Debian as much, because Debian is like how do I say, it's like the main one, so the branches have more features lah. So yeah, so we are just gonna wait for this to install. I don't know how long it's gonna take. For my Debian one, it took a decent amount of time, and by the way, as you can see here, I'm connected over Ethernet. So yeah, we're just gonna continue first. Okay, my name is we're just gonna name this Quirky Tag, actually. Quirky Tag. And VirtualBox password. I cannot read this out because it's not allowed, I feel. Okay, then we are gonna log in automatically, and we are just gonna continue. We don't want to encrypt anything from my experience with encrypting. Okay, as you can see, it's almost finishing. It's faster most of the time. I mean, not most of the time. I mean, it's faster than some other distros. So we just gonna bring it around first, like just show you guys around what they have. So they have where is it? All applications. Yeah, you see here they have their own app store, if I'm not wrong. A software manager. Okay, they call it software manager. It's somewhere. Sorry, Cannot find it now. Let me just bring it around. Okay, I'll show you what I can find first. Okay, so the accessories, yeah, we have disk to manage your disk and drives. You can read off it. Then you can also browse images, your log files here, archive manager, archive or open an archive file. You have the application finder like Spotlight and macOS. And in graphics, we can view and organize your images. Like, I don't know, maybe you need to organize into albums. I guess you can do that. And you can draw things as well. Simple drawing utility like probably Procreate on iPad. And this is a document scanner in case you need to use your webcam to scan things. So yeah, under internet we have Firefox as well. To download the rest, you have to use you have to use the software manager if you want Chromium. You also have Thunderbird Mail, and the rest I don't really know much about that. Okay, so here you got different movie players. I guess you can watch TV with this, and yeah, a lot of different things. Sorry, let me go back here. Yeah, it's quite buggy now. Yeah, so yeah, you get the point. Now we are just gonna move on to Office. It's the full LibreOffice here, if I'm not wrong, and we also have the dictionary in case you need to search up some tools. Anyways, here in settings, it's mostly backup tools to backup like your system. You have boot repair in case you can't boot your computer and you boot into safe mode like Windows. I don't know whether it has a safe mode, so that's my fault not checking out. But yeah, anyways, you have driver managers in case you have an AMD GPU. You need to update drivers. You need to update your NVIDIA drivers, your Intel drivers. Yeah, all your drivers will be in there. Then as we can scroll down, we see more things. I forgot to mention we are using XFCE. At least I want the XFCE. It's quite small installation. It's 1.9, 100 meg smaller, but I think that will make a difference. So anyways, we have come here, and yes, as you can see at the bottom, I finally found our install new applications on. We are just gonna open it now while we download that. It's quite laggy, sorry. I only have 2 gigs on RAM on this thing because I'm usually save my RAM out. That could also be another reason why my Debian one won't boot, so I might have to go and fix that and see whether it works again. Anyways, now we are just gonna wait for this to load while we install. Actually, I might not think this is a good idea, and I don't really think I can drag this down now. The system is overall lagging, as you can tell. Can't close it. Guess we just have to wait, and I don't understand why my Mac OS cursor doesn't come back. Anyways, we just gonna have to give this a moment for it, I guess. Actually, we might have to close VirtualBox. Actually, no, we don't. We are just gonna restart now. Restart. Yes, okay, I can restart. Sorry. Okay, Linux Mint logo. Press remove installation disk, then we press enter. We don't really have to remove it, it's fine. It can stay plugged in. Doesn't matter much. Since I already set up all my details, it should just boot me straight to Linux Mint, no problem at all. This few days I'll be doing beta operating systems, if you can't really tell, with my Debian and my Windows 11 slash not the official Microsoft Windows 11, but okay, we're just via connection. Let's just go through this message again. Can I not? Yeah, okay. It's pretty much frozen. I don't understand why. Yeah, it recognizes my cursor is on top, it just doesn't want to click. For some reason, I don't understand why. But yeah, okay. Never mind, now that's gone. We're just gonna press OK on this. I don't even know what this is up. We just update so we see what else we have to update just in case. Just saying this are all beta, so we don't really want to do much. We can read through the documentation if you want. System snapshots. I don't want to take snapshots of the system. It's fine because I'm using VirtualBox. VirtualBox will handle this kind of things for me. So yeah, there are new features. I guess we'll look through them. Okay, yeah, it's just gonna bring us to a web page. Okay, yeah, you see, I'm using currently 20.2. It will have long-term support to 2025. And talking about the year 2025, if I'm not wrong, that's the year Windows 10 will also drop support. Yes. So yeah. What else can we do here? We are mostly done installing 20.2. I guess I personally, like I said, don't use Linux Mint much. I use Manjaro and Debian mostly, but I do use Ubuntu sometimes for some of my work because they need specific things, like they need the packages in Ubuntu. they have their own things. But yeah, anyways, the software manager is gonna take a very long time, so I probably might not have time to show you all through. But overall, I find that Linux Mint, if you're a Linux starter, go for Linux Mint. But don't install 20.2. That's not a wise choice, I would say. Like, you should don't try betas. Betas are like risk takers. You don't try beta from the start. If you want, I would recommend it if you really want. Oh, never mind. It's here. If you really want to use higher grade, like Arch Linux, I mean, sure, go ahead. I recommend Arch. It's great. Oh yeah. Anyway, since we're in the store, I'm just gonna show you this. We have Steam here. You can install Steam as well. I don't know whether I have enough storage, but I guess we'll try. Yeah, probably not gonna work. But yeah, because I only have 2 gigs on RAM on this machine, it probably won't work. So, I mean, overall it's good. You see people here, Linux, this person uses Linux Mint 20, I guess. So yeah, depending on them, they use Linux Mint as well. So if you really want a Linux distro, I recommend you Ubuntu or Linux Mint. If not, you can try Manjaro. Manjaro is also awesome, but it's not based on Debian or Ubuntu. So yeah, anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys like this video. If you like it, please leave a like and subscribe for more future videos like this. Thank you. Bye bye.